so far away from home and still feel like I'm at home. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We had the time of our lives tonight. On the stage is a world-class talent. He's traveled the world, and I believe he's one of the best DJs on planet Earth. Give it up for Mr. Movie! And I work with so many different musicians across the planet, and these guys up here on the stage are some of the world's best musicians. Give it up for my band, y'all! All the coolest people on the planet. And up here on this stage, I promise you all the world's best. Give it up for my dancers, y'all! And we can't mention dance without mentioning these guys. They've taken the world by storm and have changed the face of dance forever. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Light Twins!
International superstar with over 250 million records sold, 77 platinum singles, more than 100 billion views on YouTube. The amazing, the incredible, the brilliant, the showstopper, the hardest working man in showbiz, JASON DERULO.
I hope tonight was the beginning of a new age for all of us. I want us to go after everything that we've always dreamed of with everything that we've got. Anything that's on your mind that you want, that you feel like you should have or that your family should have, I want you to go after it with everything that you got. I love you.
Goodbye, son!